Hello, let me show you what to do if your one Redmi Buds 6 stops working. For example, it's not connecting anymore, or for example, it's not playing sound. So you will have to start by inputting both earbuds inside your charging case, and you will have to open this charging case, find this button. I will catch focus like that. There we go. You will have to click and hold this button, and now you'll have to take a look on this indicator that appears on the front. So right now we are performing a reset of this device. So we have to hold this button for around 10 seconds. And as you can see right now, when the reset is complete, it starts blinking much faster. So now we can release. Then you will have to close this case. And right now you will have to recharge your device for around 10 or 15 minutes. As you can see now, the indicator lights up. So then you can just remove it after a few moments, and you will have to just open this case, click and hold this button on the right side anymore. Just one more time, and wait until this starts blinking white, and then just simply repair your device. If you were connected previously, then remove this connection and select this earbuds with this headphones icon. So now accept pairing, and as you can see, it will be finished. You can try to connect and check if it is working right now. Let me know in the comments.